With slides, if you push a slide, it normally goes to the next slide. But with my window, I want to not be able to go to the next slide. I just want to make a little button that says go back. So I'm going to click this big background shape and insert a link. And this is a trick. I can insert a link going back to the same slide that I'm already on. That way, if I click it, and the same thing with the eye, if I click anything on this card, it's just going to send me back to this card. So I'm just going to be kind of stuck on this card. Which is good, because if I have a haunted house story, and my next room, this next slide isn't a room I can get to from here. I want to be able to control where my readers go. So anything I can click on, it's a little bit of a chore. I have to make sure that everything I can click on goes somewhere. So now everything I click on just goes back to this card. And then I'm going to be helpful, and I'm going to make a shape. I'm going to make a nice little arrow. I'm going to choose an arrow. And I'm going to color it the same kind of orangey Halloween color. And then maybe I will add some text. Go back. Boop. Now, to edit the text, I can't do it, but if I see the blinker, I can't edit the whole text at once. So I'm just going to click somewhere else, click back on here. And now I'm going to click this little A, and I can make it bold. I can make it my orangey color that I like. And then since this is just a little instruction, I'm not going to worry about a fancy font or anything. Here we go. And here I'm going to insert a link, but this link is going to go to slide 1. You finally decide to check out that house. Remember the check mark to actually make the link work. If I wanted to be fancy, I could change the color of my text and put it on top of the arrow, like that. And then just to make sure, I'm going to insert a link on my text too, so that it also goes to slide 1. Now I think I'm bulletproof. I think on this slide, I'm going to test it. Yep, if I click anywhere, nothing happens, and if I click go back, there we go. Now I think I did a mistake. I did my classic mistake. Yes, when I inserted the link, I do this all the time. Don't do what I do. I insert the link and I just click outside thinking I've done it. I'll always remember to push the yellow check mark, or it will not be real. Let's try it again. This will work a little better. Everything's good. Go back. Yep.